Good morning, children. Today we have the rest of the classes about the quantifier pronouns. Already we have learned the two quantifier pronouns, that is anything or everything. And today we have just learned about the nothing and the something. So in nothing we used in the quantifier pronouns whenever not anything means not anything, there was nothing else to say, कुछ नहीं है. Oh, ठीक है. So what we have to say in a sentence, we have to just mention that them, nothing, कुछ नहीं. So somewhat or we are just sitting in a moody situation, so we are just sad about some personal matters. If our mother or father or friends or any relatives just ask us what happened, so what we will play first? What will be our reply first? Some others will say, soon after hearing that question, this and happened here. But some will say nothing. Okay. So this we called as the quantifier pronouns and something. Again next we have the something. It means all things that is not known or not named. We doesn't know about that particular thing or person or anything. We doesn't know. For that situation we used the quantifier pronouns, that is something. In example, I just say that I have got something in my eyes, but I don't know the things, what is that. Okay. In a birthday party, we will say just our friends, I have got some gifts, something in my birthday. Till now we did not open that gift, so that we don't know that is what's in the inside of the birthday box. Okay, so for that situation Sandro, we just use the quantifier pronouns as something. So the next we have learning about some prepositions. Okay, already we know about the preposition and all, but in our syllabus as given here, we just learn about the preposition, not like the small classes. We have very clarification about the preposition here. So preposition means it's a two words that just joining each other. That pre means it's a position and it's just give a meaning for the first position of any person or any situation. Is any sentence, in any sentence, if we write in a sentence means he is sitting on the table or chair. He is sitting on the chair. Okay, from this sentence we just say about a noun until pronoun for continuing, just completing our sentence with the use of a preposition. Okay, so here we have the preposition is on. He is sitting, we can say he is sitting the chair, but we say with the preposition he is sitting on the chair means he was a chair, कुर्सी के ऊपर बैठी. ठीक है. So again with the first preposition we have in. Number one, in. Wherever we have to use in, how to use, when have to use, these things we are just going to learn now this with the preposition of in. In means in a sentence any things, कोई भी वस्तु, इसके यदि कोई पहले से भी और अंदर हो तो इनका प्रयोग होता है. See, again, wherever we write, sometimes the situation will be or the things will be in near it, or sometimes the situation or the things. Or see, example, he is sitting on the chair. The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. Okay. Again one more. My book is in the bag. My book is in the bag. It says that where the things should be, where the things may be. Okay. The preposition in help us to find out that where the things should be and where is the position should be. Again, you are sitting in the room, or she is sitting in the room. Here we can say she is sitting room. No, just we are analyzing the position where we she or he sit. Sat. Okay, she is sitting in the room. Again, before the months, if we write any month or January, February, March, April, June, before the months we add in. Okay, महीने के पहले also we just add in. Example, Mahatma Gandhi was born in 1869. Okay, so for this also we just add the preposition in. He will come in July. He will come in July. Before the month, we just add the preposition in. He will come in July. Or second one, Mahatma Gandhi was born in 1869. For other things also, for just saying the winter means season's name. Okay, for the situation, for the example, in winter, in summer, in season names, before the season's names, just add the in. And for the days means evening, afternoon, in the evening, in afternoon, in the afternoon. For this also we just add the preposition in. Again, for this is the second type. For the third type, before the places or country, we just add in. He lives in India. Before the places or country, we just add in. He lives. Again one more. He lives Sankaner in Jaipur district. Understood? Before the places or country, or we just add, or before the months or in date, year, we just add the position in. And for the situation where the thing is situated, for this we just add the preposition in. Okay, for today we just wind up the class. Again we have to learn about the preposition. Okay children, bye for today. Please have a note to your book.